But yeah. All right. So what I did is I pulled out. I know. I pulled out an ACT prep book, and I was looking through one of the ACT questions, and I thought, I was just skimming through, and I thought, I wonder what kind of questions they were asking. I hadn't seen ACT prep questions in a while, and when I got to this question, I thought, oh wow, we just talked about that, right? So let me go over this problem real quick and show you what ACT question you might experience based on what we've been doing in class. Right? So this question says, number 6, in this parallelogram PQRS shown below, PS is 7 centimeters long. If the parallelogram's perimeter is 40 centimeters, how many centimeters long is PQ? All right, so they give you 3 pieces of information that you should recognize right away. The first one, this is a parallelogram. All right, that's hinting at our properties of parallelograms that we've been talking about. The second one is that PS is 7 centimeters long, and they went ahead and drew it on the figure for you. The third thing says the perimeter is 40, right? So that's kind of asking that you go back to your memory of what perimeter means, right? Perimeter means we add up all the side lengths. So I have 4 sides, one of which I know is 7. The other 3 I don't know, but I could figure them out, right? What's one thing I should be able to add to this figure knowing that this is a parallelogram? Right. Opposite sides are congruent, so QR is 7. Right. So I can go ahead and I can make that a 7. Then what do I know about the other 2 sides? They're parallel, right? But I'm not concerned about parallel, right? It's giving me numbers, so I don't need to know about being parallel. What else is important, though? They're congruent, right? And so if SR is some number x, then that means PQ is also x. So how can I represent the perimeter as an equation? Yes, 7 plus x plus 7 plus an x. I do have to set it to something. What am I going to set that to? No. 180 would be if it was in angles. This time we're talking about perimeter. Read the problem again. 40, right? Because the perimeter is 40, so all the sides add up to 40. 14 plus 2x is how that would simplify. Uh, 40 minus 14, 26. 26, yeah. 26. X would then be 13. So PQ would be 13, which is option H, right? Now, remember on the ACT, there are 60 math questions, and you get 60 minutes to do those 60 math questions. So, right, the math here is you get a minute to do this problem. The idea, though, is there is some... Oh, you took it? Yeah. It does. It kind of makes you want to, like, you just get frustrated for how long you're sitting there, how many problems you have to do. Mm-hmm. Right, you do have to manage your time. Sometimes you get really easy problems that you can look at right away, and you can go, I can answer that in like 15 seconds. Some problems take you 2 or 3 minutes. The good idea though is if you don't know it, don't waste your time on it. If you see a problem like this and you see parallelogram and you don't remember your properties of parallelograms, don't bang your head on this problem. Skip to the next problem, come back to it if you have time. Right, and so like your trig questions, you probably hadn't done any trig questions before, right? But we'll be doing trig by the end of the semester, and so there's always at least 4 trig questions of the 60, and so once we do the trig, you'll be confident to do at least 4 of them. Probability? We'll get to probability too.